All right, I'm pretty sure I'm live. It's still spinning, but it does this to me every month. Hi, everyone. I cannot believe it is the end of November. Another month has come and gone. And because it's the last day of the month, that means month end money pulse check time. And I'm actually doing this pulse check a little earlier in the day, but I know for a fact I will not be spending any more money today. I did take advantage of a Cyber Monday sale. I had rewards with Express, and my plan was to only use what the reward total was and not spend any of my own money. But they got me on an extra sweater. Totally fine. It's tracked, it's logged, it'll be included in my numbers that I go through. But month end money pulse check time. If you guys are new to this, in case you don't know who I am or what I do, I am Rhea Reeves, founder and finance coach of City Girl Savings. And for almost 2, maybe 3 years now, at the end of every month, I share the results of my budget and spending and savings goals, just so I can stay accountable and show you guys that, hey, if I can do it, you can do it. So hopefully this inspires you to complete your own month-end money review every month. I normally don't wear a hoodie, but it's been, I think the Monday after a holiday is always kind of like draining. So I'm comfy cozy today. But let me dive into it because I'll be rambling on forever and I'm not trying to waste anybody's time. Okay, so November was a pretty good month, more so because I made more money than I expected to this month. So that's always a nice plus. And I was profitable by about $300 this month. And when I say I was profitable, it means that I had more money coming in than I had going out for the entire month. So I had a surplus of $300, which I did transfer into my Robinhood account. I've been kind of dabbling with that platform in terms of investing, and I really like it. So I just put some more money in there to play around. But okay, so let's talk about my categories. So for savings, I actually saved a lot more than I expected to, and that's because of the Frugal Fall Savings Challenge. The first half of the month, we were still like knee deep in the challenge. So because of that, I saved more than planned. My housing costs, they're always the same every month usually, so no change. I was like right on track there. Personal bills, I was a couple $100 over budget. I had some pet expenses come up that I wasn't really planning on. So, got to take care of the fur babies. Groceries, broke even for the month, so I spent exactly what I planned to. Transportation, I was actually slightly over budget by a tank of gas. I went to Dallas. I live in Austin. I went to Dallas at the end of last month and had to fill up coming back home. So kind of took me a little over budget, but it's not a huge deal. My discretionary categories, meals out and fun spending, I was over budget in both of those, unfortunately. I had a kind of unexpected trip to Las Vegas, which resulted in me spending money. I did make money while I was there, though, so that was pretty exciting. It's always fun to leave a place like Las Vegas with money in your pocket. But both of those categories, I was over budget. Like I said, I did succumb to a Cyber Monday sale, but I was already over budget in my fun spending category prior to that. So all in all, I am happy with the month. My goal for December is really to just stick to buying Christmas gifts. I have my Frugal Fall Savings Challenge money already put to the side and ready for it. So my goal is not to go overboard. I already have some gifts kind of set up and out of the way, so that's nice. I don't have any trips coming up that I can think of. And I really want to end 2020 on a positive note in terms of what I do with my money. And I will say in next month's month-end money review, I'm also going to be just kind of recapping my entire year and then sharing some of my goals moving into 2021. And speaking of goals, if you have never set money goals before, You don't want to miss the 2021 Money Financial Goal Planning Workshop. So it's going to be a 2-hour live workshop with me, and I'll be walking you through everything you need to know to set achievable money goals. I also have a workbook that I've created so that you can actually physically write out, we will physically write out our goals together. And that is happening December 9th. So if you haven't signed up for it, please do so. I will drop a link to it in the comments section. But I think that's it. Thanks for tuning in live if you're here. If you're doing your own November month-end money review, share your results. I'd love to know and support. And let's crush our final day of November and kill our final month of 2020. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.